Hello everybody, welcome to my video demo of my final project. So to start, my final project is built on project 2. So I'm using the web server instead of the serverless style using Lambda. And I chose this one because I wanted to mess around with images and how to display images. And so the 3 things I added was I added a upload with compression, a download with decompression, and then an ability to rotate the images. And you'll see it like this. So originally Daegu, it's like that, but then after rotating, you can rotate it like that. And so to start, I have my compression, which serves to replace the upload. So it does everything upload does, but it uploads with compression. So I'll upload the image to S3 as a compressed image, and then the sister function would be decompression, which kind of replaces download. And decompression only works if it's on a compressed image. So for instance, if I tried to download decompression, this will work because asset 1024 was an image I uploaded with compression. Now if I run it with, I try to just download 1024, it won't work. You can only download with if the image is compressed, it has to be downloaded with decompression. And similarly, if you try to download a compressed, it won't work. So yeah, and so then the last one I did was rotating. So I had a rotate function, and so the rotate image function, you enter in the amount of degrees you want to change it, and then it'll rotate it and it'll download it with a different name. So if I run this, let's say I want to rotate it 45 degrees, and let's just do whatever this asset ID is. So this has been saved as temp, this one. So we find that here, and it's, yeah. So the original, I think, was cloud. Yeah, and so now you can see it's been rotated and it's been downloaded with a unique name. If I try to rotate an image that was uploaded as a compressed image, it won't work. So rotate, it only works on non-compressed images. So let's say I try to do which I think this is Daegu. Yeah, so then we get temp Daegu 45 degrees, and there you go. So now Daegu has been rotated by 45 degrees. And so yeah, so I have all these other functions. So this is the original one, rotated. Pikachu got rotated by 45. There's this one that got rotated, Batman. And so all these images, you can upload. You upload them, and then you are able to rotate them however you like. And so yeah, so that's all I did. So I added an ability to compress images when you upload it to S3, and then an ability to download these images that have been compressed with a decompression function. As you saw, like the normal download does not work, so it needs a download with decompression. And lastly, I had my rotate image function, which just allows you to play around with any images and then just mess around with them, just rotate them. It's very simple. And so yeah, so that's my final project.